Hello, my name is Tyler, and today I'm going to be doing a speech about the wonders of stem cells. Now, stem cells might be the most interesting and phenomenal thing that we might come in contact with our later future. So, I am going to let you know all about it. So, where do stem cells originate like at first? At first, they start in the embryo of a newborn, and these stem cells can have the ability to change and morph into any type of organ or skin or tissue. Now, these organs and tissue, and no, wait, these stem cells can like build upon these organs and make them into like what we have in our bodies. And these tissues are really malleable, and we can actually put them into different people so we can actually help damage arteries like a heart or like lungs. And there's another type of stem cell called uh, henaphobic stem cells. These are basically stem cells that are basically in your bones and your bone marrow, and they basically make up your blood, your white blood cells, and your antibodies. And now we're going to be talking about the new types of treatment. Now, these treatments stem on like organ donating. We can actually use stem cells as another organ type of transplants to help like somebody with heart failure or liver failure, and we can help them by using stem cell cloning by giving them new hearts and livers. Now, there are some repercussions to this type of fact, that being two facts. One, the organ that was cloned could actually turn on the host body and be rejected by the body. So that's one. And number two is we can't actually make like perfect arteries for like humans. Well, we can, but it just takes like a really long time to process and make like a whole heart in under like a day. So timing is basically a really big factor on stem cell cloning. And there is a limit to what we can actually do nowadays. Some like if you have like a giant hole in like your lung or something, you there's only so much that stem cells can help with regrowth and repairing that whole entire organ. So yeah. Now I'm going to be talking about the controversy that people have with stem cells. Now, this mostly ledges on to religious beliefs and what people believe in general, and why it's wrong to use stem cell research to make us basically immortal. That's what they believe, and that we can become gods and not really die as fast as we normally could. But this is mainly false, and we can actually not not be immortal. Like I said, there is a limit to what we can do. And they also say that it is dangerous that we try to use these stem cells and research to kill a fetus that is basically developing inside the womb. Now, I keep this in mind because there is a bunch of other factors that we can use for stem cells so we can recreate them. For instance, you can take the DNA samples of a embryo that is from a lab and you can actually put skin cells inside of it, and then if you add a little bit of caffeine into it, you can actually recreate some of that embryonic stem cells that are used for recreating and repairing uh, new organs. So yeah, all right, that's all I have for my speech. If there's anything else I can help you with, that would be cool.